made so much mistakes trying to shoot this video. It is so hard to shoot this video. I really don't know why is it taking so long to shoot and just get it out of the way. I don't know if I'm the only one who has that type of issue where you start shoot something and then you mess it up. Because like earlier today I shot this video and then I'm like, okay, I started editing, and when I listened back the audio, it never really sounded that good, and I'm talking about audio, so why would it sound like that? But anyways, nevertheless, this is probably like my 10th time trying to shoot this video, so please understand the effort that I'm making to shoot these type of videos. Anyways, let me start. So what I have in my possession is a very unique wireless microphone for mobile devices and iPads. You can use on your laptop. Yeah, and some of the, I'll list the devices up in the description or on the screen. Any depends on how my editing is, like how I feel. So I got this mic from Several Rhymes, and this is the RimoMic LTE. This is the iPhone version. You have the Type-C version for Android users, but because I'm an iPhone user, I got the iPhone version. I had my face. Okay, so this is the little mic. This is very small and unique. And yeah, this is the mic for it. And this is what comes in the bag. You have a Type-C cable. That's weird. You're giving me a Type-C cable and I'm using an iPhone. Okay, and it comes in a little pouch. Well, it doesn't comes in the pouch, but this is the pouch that comes in the bag, like, you know, your little carrying stuff. So yeah, let me put it over there. So for this mic, it's very unique, I must say, and based on the fact how you use it and where you're using it, it all goes to what you're using it for. Because let me show you how easy it is to set up. Imagine when I was shooting the setup part, there was so much wind. I couldn't believe, like, it was terrible. Okay, let me take this out of the case, put that over there. So I am currently using an iPhone 11 Pro. I'm not using the 13 or the 12. Yeah, the regular iPhone 11 Pro. So how easy it is to connect to your device? Very easy. You just plug it here. Let me just turn the phone around. So plug it here, and that's it, right? So let me unlock my phone. So unlocking my phone will show you that it is currently working. So you get a volume. Let me hide my face. So on the screen you can see everything as relates to using this mic. You have the volume option. So outside of the volume option, you actually have the pairing option where you can pair the mic, this mic right here, turn this way, and you have a dead cat for the wind. So let me take it off. Yeah, so you have this little dead cat right here, yeah, for the wind. Let me just put it back on. I'm inside, I don't need to have it on. So if you want to use this mic, and the price for the mic is less than $100, and I'm like, less than $100? Yeah. So I heard that, well, I read that it can go about 90 feet. That's a good distance for a wireless mic for a phone. A very good distance, well, to me still. So once you plug it in, right, and you go to your camera or any video platform that you have, you can just go to your camera and then you just start recording. Right, and then the mic, right now, just clip it on to where you want it to go. But there's one thing I wish this mic had. There's no lav mic input, so I can't like connect it to, well, connect a lav mic to it. That's one of the downfalls with this mic, because then I would have to walk with this bulky stuff. Like, no, that's like so bulky. Yeah, I'd have to work with this bulky stuff, and I really hate that option, that I have to work with the bulky stuff. Yeah, but outside of that, the mic is pretty unique. I don't have to charge this. This is the receiver. I don't have to charge it, because like when you plug it into your phone, the phone actually charges it. So if your phone is dying, you know that you can't use the mic, but you actually charge the mic itself, right? You charge the mic itself via the Type-C. So like some of the basic features, like you can actually see the volume, like it's real time. So when the person is talking or anybody who has the mic, you can see the volume go up and down. So there's no delay, so it's instant. And you can see the battery level on the device as well, on the LCD screen. And also there's a low cut option. Yeah, and it's wind cancellation. It's okay. It's okay, but it all depends on where you have the mic, because if the mic is not placed properly, it's going to sound a bit off. But I have a sample video that I did up in Elshaw, and I'll show you what the previous audio sounds like that I was going to post. I'm like, nah, this ain't going on my channel. Well, yeah, you'll see why. And yeah, so take a look at it and tell me what you guys think. Alright, so there you go, guys. So I'm actually recording Kazi from this side, but I can actually monitor the audio using the receiver itself, and that's actually dope. And I can see the volume from right here. Yo, that's really dope. I'm not going to lie. So as you can see, I placed the mic right here. So let me hear you say something, Kazi.
Alright, so what's up, everybody? Big up Pedro. Love the channel. And keep up the good work.
Yeah, man. Alright, yeah, the mic not sound too bad still. And then you have the dead cat over it, so you know, just in case you want to kill the wind and all that type of stuff there. So what we're going to do next is to do a distance test. Alright, so you hear me clearly?
Yep.
Alright, so come, is it on the white camera?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so as long as it's on the white camera, come on, let me get the view. I don't know how the wind sound, right? So I am going to test out the distance of it. So I'm going to go all the way to that sign right now, right? So just tell me how it sound. You stay right here and tell me when you hear it break out. Cause them say, I think them say 90 feet, the distance. That's what I heard. Well, that's what I read, hopefully. But you stay right there. Alright, I'm actually I run. Me have to lamp my it can't out. You hear me now? I'm gonna turn the mic directly to you. You hear me? A little? Clear? Say you hear me now? You still hear me now? Alright, so basically when I turn my back, you don't hear me. It a break up now? Just put up your hand if you see say it a break up. It a break up. Alright, so each time it a break up, you put on. Alright. Someone else, law. Alright, so you now hear me now. Alright, so I turn my face the mic. Still hear me? Wave your hand if you hear me. Whoa, you still hear me? Whoa, what? Oh. It's a stop. Say it. May I go back? Say it done. That's the distance, you get me? So that's the distance. You know, walking closer. The wind. What may I talk to you like you're right beside of me? No, but me I say, yo, yeah, like you're beside of me, like you could have respond. You can't respond, yeah, so far. Like you could have respond. Yeah. So basically, distance, yo, is a good look at distance. So if you know that, yo, you're going to do some live streaming from some events, you can just put the camera on a tripod, put the phone on a tripod, zoom in, and you have the mic on you, so you don't want to get this surround sound, you get me? So that's basically it. So the audio sounds pretty clear.
Yeah.
That's good. The good thing about this type of phone, you know, say if you should walk with me, it's stable, right?
Yeah, man.
Stable.
Very.
Very stable. So that's why I don't upgrade to the iPhone 13 or 12, because I'm like, I'm okay with this 11 Pro. And because of the wide angle camera, I can get, I don't know if this is wide enough. All right, so stop right there. All right, so guys, I don't know if this suits you well, but this is a very unique mic. And I think, let me see, I think you can actually look at the battery life. Tell me, you can see the battery life on the receiver, right? So you see the battery life on the receiver, you got the volume button on the receiver as well, and then the power button is on this. And the only thing you need to do is charge this. But I just wish that this had the option to put like a lapel mic in it. You get me? So I can just plug the mic and just string it up and just catch it right or so. So I have to be walking up and down with this big weird thingy. But yeah, I think this actually can work. So guys, I'll see you again in another video. I don't really shoot videos with my phone, but you know, for all the mobile YouTubers out there, mobile content creators out there, this is a very good purchase. You see me? Alright, so this is what it looks like when you're filming. Oh, I don't know, yo, the breeze looks crazy. You see me? So this is the way I go see when you shoot. Alright, switch to this. Yeah, so I guess, see it blowing out. Oh crap. Oh yeah, that should be better. But this is what it looks like. Yeah, such a nice setup. Very unique, slick setup.